So our next important topic is advantages of food preservation. Okay. So what are the advantages of food preservation? Why do we need to preserve the food? Now see, there are different advantages of food preservation. First of all, it decreases food wastage. Okay. Now with the help of food preservation, there's no need to waste the food. We can preserve it for the longer period of time. It increases the storage period of food. We can keep the food for longer time with us at home. There is no need to go daily to market to buy things. जैसा कि आजकल आप लोग फील कर रहे होंगे, डेली जाना संभव नहीं होता. So we can collect and store it in the fridge, and by the drying process we can keep it for some time. Okay. The third important advantage is it makes possible for us to get fruit and vegetable even in off season. Nowadays we get cauliflower, capsicum and apples throughout the year. आपको जब मैंगो खाना है आप तब खा सकते हैं, किसी सीजन का वेट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती, राइट? In any season you can get anything. The fourth one is it makes possible for us to get fruits and vegetables from far off places, even from the abroad. आप बाहर के देशों से भी हम कुछ भी बुलवा सकते हैं, कुछ भी खाने पीने की कोई भी चीज़ हम दूसरे देश से या दूसरे किसी स्टेट से कहीं से भी बुलवा सकते हैं. जैसे एप्पल्स ऑफ कश्मीर एंड ऑरेंजेस ऑफ नागपुर आर अवेलेबल इन Delhi or in Ujjain as well. Okay. So these are all the advantages of food preservation, which is very, very important. Now next is how actually we can prevent the wastage of food. As today we talk a lot about preservation of food, but with this it is equally important to stop the wastage of food. In a country like ours, many people do not get enough food to eat. We must therefore prevent wastage of food. We prevent wastage of food in different ways. When we use food, then we should keep in mind certain things. Take only as much food on your plate as you can possibly eat. Cook as much food as the family requires. Store the leftover food in the refrigerator or in a cool, dry place for later use. And most importantly, store cereal and pulses and spices in clean, dry, and airtight containers. Store fruits and vegetables in a refrigerator or in a cool and dry place. So now we have done with this chapter. I hope I was able to give you every detail on how can we help in preservation of food and in prevention of wastage of food. Stay home, stay safe, and keep learning.